so what we're going to do, what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to do the PNG fish and chips. Mardi, Mario.
For this you will need 1 reef fish fillet, 1 cacao, 2 cups of flour, plain flour, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of beer, 1 teaspoon of chicken booster, 1 cup of soda water, half teaspoon of pepper, and muslin on side.
Okay, I will call that la cow fish. Okay, here we got a beautiful fish. I was catch this morning, filleted by myself by hand. Okay, what I've done up here, I boiled some water. I boiled some water because I'm going to boil the cacao. That's the one, cacao, because I'm going to make some cacao wedges. So I'll put it on there in the water a little. Timing gets soft and good, but timing mal, I will oversee the tip for you, go finish. Okay, so that will cook for a while. All right, we got the cocoa down there. Now I'm going to prepare, let them cook. I'm going to do a beer and butter for you, a special one. So what I have up here, I got some tonic water. I put some tonic water. What I have up here, I got my beer. Not my beer, but the beer. That's the one. And if we need any more beer, I'll have to go down there and get some. I will twist it up to make like a beer and butter, to make a flour, huh? Okay. Okay, what I'm putting beer on my beer and butter because the beer's got yeast and it will lift up the flour. What I'm putting soda water got bubble in there, gas. So we lift up the crust on a coating. So we are. I'm not going to make it too firm. I'm going to make it nice and simple. Okay, what I'm going to put on that one now, I get some chicken booster. Flavor Blue chicken booster, Papua New Guinea, and Trabla something. No got chicken booster, no got kai. So I put some chicken booster. Blow up. I put some pepper. Put a bit of pepper. There we are. I don't put salt. Enter salt. Yes, I mix it up. Mix it up. See? So you don't want the things too thick, huh? You want it nice, and that's the way you want it. So now, we leave it down there. So what I'm going to do now, that's my fish here. We should put the fish a little bit in the flour before we do. So I'll sprinkle up, just to make it dry, so he's going to absorb everything on it. And sprinkle up. Okay, that's your fish. So I'm going to dip the fish in there. In the beer and butter, okay? I dip it like that. All right, so it's nice and squeezy now. So I'm going to let the leftover go down. You don't want too much flour on your fish, okay? That's the one. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in there. Let him cook. I want him brownish a little bit. Okay, my cocoa is still cooking. Oh yes, the cocoa is still cooking. All right, okay. Now we let him cook. Soon when he starts to get the brownish color a little bit, we're going to take him out. And we're going to plate it. And this one I'm going to do the cocoa wedges. Or we'll go on side. There's this one down there. So what I'm going to do, I'll switch it on that one. Don't worry about the cook. Lucky we're here on the beach because I don't need to go to the kitchen and throw the water somewhere. My cacao, they cooked. Here they are, very good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to strain them. I'll strain them up here. There we are. So that's my cocoa I'm going to use to do my wedges. I will show you the next steps to do the wedges. Now we're going to let them cool a little bit. We're going to try to get the fish bit of color, golden brown. That's it. So there we are. The fishy. I'm going to put you one more side on this one. You see, it's got the brownish on it. Crack on the other side is perfect. So we're going to take the oil out a bit. See, it's nice and strong. Okay. So I have a plate up here. And I'm going to put them on a plate down there. There we are. That's our fish. Now, second stage. We got the cocoa. We're going to make the cocoa wedges. So I put a bit of flour in there. I put a bit of water, not too much. I twist them around. So what we're going to do, we're going to throw them in there. Down there, one down there. There's a call up here. I'm going to fry them like a potato chips. Okay, but it's not potato, that's cocoa with flour. We call that a cocoa wedges. Okay? There we are. Now we're going to let them cook nicely for a while to when they're brownish. So we're going to turn them around. We should have a big deep fry, but like I said, because we're on a beach up here, we're not in a kitchen, so we make it easy. Huh? There we are, that one up here. There's that one. That one. Turn them around a little bit. So it's the same thing for the fish. We're going to golden brown. So I want to have the golden brown cocoa wedges in the fish and the muslin. If you watch my previous show on Home and Work, House and Home, sorry, Home and Work, House and Home. All right, so here we are. I'm just waiting a little bit. I put the dirty pot down there. Okay, now the wedges are ready. So I'm going to take them out and put them up here. I get the nice big one, the one I want. In there. In there. And in there. The last one. Okay. Now, that's a fish. We're going to plate it. So we're going to plate it. We're going to put one up here. We're going to put one up here. And on this side up here. So we got the other side now. We put one side on top. One side on top. Another side here. And what I will do, like I told you before, I done a muslin from my previous show. Then I will put up here. There we are. Bon appetit. Fish and chips and cocoa wedges, made with a special beer and butter. Enjoy the meal. Bon appetit. Au revoir. See you next time on the next show. Bonsoir.
Taste of PNG is brought to you by Origin Energy.